welcome back to my channel. Myself Muskan Tiwari. So in today's video I'm gonna tell you my honest review of COVID-19 vaccination. So the first dose which I got was of Moderna and the second dose which I got was Pfizer plus Moderna mix. So guys, the first dose of vaccination I got on 11th of August and during evening time. So till night there was no such effects, but yeah, after vaccination I felt a bit dizzy, and after that I came to home, and till night there was no such effects, but then the place of injection that was on my left side, and thank god that the doctor asked that which hand is your working hand, so I told them that the right one, so they gave me the injection on the left one because they knew it's gonna pain a lot, and yeah, it did. Like, from that day, 11th August night time, my hand started paining a lot. Like, that injection site started paining a lot. I had a mild fever during night time. Also, I took medicine for that. But then on the other day, the hand started paining severely. So for 2-3 days, I had a severe pain on my injection site. Also, I couldn't sleep on this side, so I have to put the cold compression on the injection site. The hand got swollen. So at that time I had a feeling like I'm having a 10 kg of weight over this hand. I couldn't even move it a bit. So yeah, it was a very severe pain, and also I have a habit of sleeping on this side, so I couldn't sleep for 2-3 days because of vaccination. Also, on the second day mid evening, I had a lot of fever and pain, and also for some days I had cold and my nose was blocked. So I don't know exactly if it's the post vaccination effect. Also, like, that day the weather changed suddenly here, so moreover I think it's because of the weather and not the vaccination effect. The vaccination effect was mostly the severe pain on my hand and a bit of fever. So if you haven't watched my previous video which I made on how to take vaccination in Ukraine, I told you that why I took Moderna, because Moderna has more effectiveness than other vaccines. So yeah, first dose I chose was Moderna. Then unfortunately, after, like, they told me to come after 21 to 28 days, but they said they'll call me or put me a message or email to come, but they didn't. So like after 28 days I went there. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज मैं जा रही हूँ सेकेंड डोज लेने वैक्सीनेशन का. काफ़ी लेट जा रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि उनका कोई कॉल नहीं आया था. फिर मुझे पता चला कि हमें खुद ही जाके लगवाना है. तो आज मैं जा रही हूँ क्योंकि आज फ्राइडे है, तो सैटरडे संडे क्लासेस नहीं रहेंगी. तो जो भी आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स होते हैं हम अच्छे से घर पे के आराम कर सकते हैं. गाइस, मैं जल्दी में मास्क ही लाना भूल गई. अब मैं आपका से मास्क लेती हूँ जल्दी से. एंड दे टोल्ड दैट Moderna is not available, you need to wait. So I was waiting for Moderna, but then it was like more than 1.5 months. So I went there. So they said that Moderna won't be available. So now what we are doing is we are mixing the vaccines, like they are mixing Moderna vaccines with the Pfizer vaccine. So guys, it's happening in so many countries, like in Canada and different countries. They have used this mixing procedure before 3-4 months, because the Moderna vaccine is not available, as there is problem in the transportation of the vaccine. So it will take like so many months for Moderna to travel to other countries. And also as I took the first dose on 11th August, so I couldn't wait for long for the second dose. So it was a bit surprising for me to take the second dose of another vaccine. So then I called my father, and he told me that if there is a situation like that and it's gonna take time for the Moderna vaccine to come, so okay, take the mixture. Also, the doctors there in the hospital suggested me that it's happening everywhere and it's safe, totally safe, and also it's more effective after mixing the vaccination. So the second dose which I took was the mixture of Moderna plus Pfizer. And the post vaccination effect of my second dose is that I only got a mild fever on the day of vaccination and the other day, and a bit of pain in my left hand, like as I'll compare to the first dose. So if I'll compare the pain of my first dose with the second, so it was very less than the first dose. I can move my hand normal, so it was a way less than the first dose. In first dose, I had a very severe pain on my injection site, but on second dose, I only had for a day or two. So for people who took Moderna as first dose away before like more than a month and a half or 2 months, so I'll suggest if you are hesitating taking the mixture of the vaccine, so I'm safe till now. So feel safe to take the mixture vaccination. Because so guys, I better suggest you to take the second dose as soon as possible. Even if the second dose is present as a mixture of other vaccines, it's safe to take. So I have seen so many videos of the doctors and researchers from America. So they said that there is not much difference in Pfizer and Moderna, so it's safe to mix Pfizer and Moderna. And so yeah, so far so good. Also, guys, let me mention the post-vaccination effects of Pfizer. So my sister, she took first dose of Pfizer. So she had pain in the injection site, but not for so many days. It's for that day and the other, and not so severe. Also, she had fever for 2 days, and she had the extra effect which she had, which I didn't had after taking Moderna, was loose motions. So yeah, I heard that so many people who took Pfizer got this loose motion effects. So I talked to some of my friends who took Covishield in India. So some said that they had pain in hand but not so severe, but some told that they had no pain at all in the hand. So I think now it's different for different people, but the common post-vaccination effects people are getting after all kind of vaccines is mild fever, pain on the injection site, loose motions, and that's it. So I better suggest people to go for vaccination and don't be scared of it. So this was my post-vaccination effects honest review of Moderna and Pfizer. Also, guys, my first dose post vaccination effects was so crazy. Like I couldn't bear the pain. So at that time I was trying to distract my mind. So I just made some of my snaps, and they are very crazy and funny snaps. So go watch and enjoy it. But yeah, if you can feel the pain I was feeling at that time by the videos, so let me know in comment. I'll keep you updated.